Do you want to play more games in your Tesla? Let me show you how. Alright, welcome back to the channel. Dan here from our Tesla, back with another quick tip. Now, I know I haven't done one of these in a while. I'll be kind of focusing on the Tesla 101 series for new Tesla owners, but this one is a Tesla tip for everyone. Now, this may not work everywhere, but at least it does in Canada and the US. Now, what you want to do is head over to the YouTube app in your Tesla. You may have to be signed in for this, but once you're signed in, scroll down a bit and you'll find YouTube Playables. Now, this is not uniquely to Tesla. You can use on any YouTube app, such as your mobile phone or desktop, but these are games that you can play anywhere, basically, including your Tesla. So we're talking about kind of like mobile style games like Cut the Rope, Angry Birds, there's Stealth Ninja. There's about 100 or so games. I didn't try all of them, but most of the ones I found you can play. There was a couple of ones that it seemed like you need some sort of keyboard to play, which obviously you need the desktop, and you couldn't play with a touchscreen, so you couldn't play in your Tesla. But most of them I was able to play, and one I was able to play with a controller, which was Stealth Ninja. The other ones didn't seem to work with a controller and needed a touch. All right, so thanks for watching. If you like this tip and I found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And also, don't forget to subscribe, because the thing with these tips, though, is you're not going to know they exist. Therefore, you're not going to be able to search them through YouTube. So the only way you're going to get them is to subscribe. So be sure to do that and hit that notification bell so you don't miss videos, which I release about every week or so. Tons of awesome Tesla tips like this one, as well as, like I said before, my Tesla 101 series for new Tesla owners out there, as well as product reviews and all kinds of awesome Tesla content. So be sure to subscribe. And thanks again for watching. We'll see you next week. In the meantime, drive safe and drive electric.